Keeping your car spotless shouldn't feel like a full-time job, and tangled cords certainly don't help. That's where the Cordless Car Vacuum shines: lightweight, rechargeable, and always ready to conquer crumbs, dust, and pet hair wherever they hide. Designed for convenience and power, these compact clean machines give your vehicle the deep refresh it deserves without restricting your reach. In this video, we'll cruise through the best cordless car vacuums on the market, making it simple to find your perfect mobile cleaning companion. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster QuickClean Car Vacuum. If you're searching for a quick and reliable solution for everyday messes, the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster QuickClean Car Vacuum is a practical choice. Lightweight at just 1.4 pounds, this cordless vacuum gives you the freedom to move from your car to your home without the hassle of cords or bulky equipment. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, it delivers strong suction and consistent performance for quick cleanups. Whether you're tackling crumbs in the kitchen, pet hair on furniture, or dirt in your car's interior, this dustbuster is designed to handle a variety of surfaces with ease. Its rechargeable design ensures it's always ready when you need it, making it an excellent tool for busy households. One standout feature is the built-in crevice tool, which allows you to reach into tight spots like between couch cushions, under seats, and even the corners of shelves. This makes it particularly useful for car interiors or areas that standard vacuums often miss. The bagless design also simplifies maintenance, with a cloth filter and pre-filter that can be easily cleaned to maintain suction power. Compact, efficient, and user-friendly, the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster QuickClean is more than just a vacuum. It's a dependable cleaning companion that saves you time and effort. If you want a straightforward grab-and-go solution for daily messes, this handheld vacuum has you covered. At number 4, KMMT 117C Handheld Car Vacuum. If you want a lightweight yet powerful cleaning tool for your car or home, the KMM Handheld Car Vacuum is designed to make the job quick and efficient. Weighing just 0.72 pounds, this cordless vacuum is compact, comfortable to hold, and easy to store, ensuring cleaning never feels like a chore. Powered by a built-in 4,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it offers fast charging in just 3 hours using versatile options like car chargers, power banks, or laptops. This makes it highly convenient for both travel and daily use. Plus, it's an eco-friendly alternative to disposable compressed air canisters, helping you save money while reducing waste. What sets this vacuum apart is its dual function. It works as both a vacuum cleaner and an air duster, giving you the flexibility to suck up stubborn dirt from tight corners, keyboards, or car interiors, or blow away dust and debris from surfaces with ease. With its strong suction, dust and particles don't stand a chance. Maintenance is simple thanks to its washable high-efficiency particulate AI filter and one-click garbage release system. The reusable filter ensures consistent suction power while keeping cleaning costs low. An integrated LED light further enhances usability by illuminating dark areas, so you can reach every hidden spot. Practical, versatile, and energy efficient, the KMM Handheld Car Vacuum offers reliable cleaning power in a small, portable design, perfect for keeping your car and workspace spotless with minimal effort. Number 3, we have the MONOZEL VC026 Car Vacuum. If you need a versatile cleaning tool that's compact yet powerful, the MONOZEL Car Vacuum is an excellent choice. Designed to handle more than just dust, this cordless vacuum doubles as both a cleaner and an air duster, making it a smart companion for your car, home, or office. At the heart of its performance is a 130 watts high-speed brushless motor capable of reaching 115,000 revolutions per minute. With 2 modes, Eco at 9,000 Pascal and Max at 18,000 Pascal, you get the flexibility to handle light cleaning or tackle stubborn dirt. Brushless technology not only extends the motor's life but also reduces noise levels to less than or equal to 85 decibel, keeping cleaning sessions quieter and more comfortable. This vacuum goes beyond traditional cleaning. It includes multiple accessories like a flat brush for tight spaces, a hairbrush for sofas and pet fur, and a floor brush for debris. The extension tube makes it easy to reach tricky areas like corners, under furniture, or narrow car spaces. Plus, with its set of inflatable nozzles, you can even inflate balloons, swimming rings, or small inflatables, adding another layer of utility. Weighing only 1.4 pounds and featuring a 0.26-liter dust capacity, the car vacuum is lightweight and easy to carry. An integrated LED light helps illuminate dark areas, ensuring nothing is missed. With its multifunction design, powerful suction, and portable build, the MONOZEL makes cleaning effortless and efficient, giving you a reliable solution for everyday messes and more. At number 2, BLACK+DECKER CHV1410L Car Vacuum. If you want a cordless vacuum that's both reliable and easy to use, the BLACK+DECKER CHV1410L Car Vacuum is a smart pick. Known as the #1 brand in hand vacs, it's designed to bring strong suction and practical convenience right into your hands. Powered by a 16-volt max lithium-ion battery, this vacuum delivers consistent suction for tackling dirt, dust, and pet hair with ease. Its cordless design means you're not tied down by outlets or tangled cords, making it perfect for quick cleanups in your car, home, or on upholstery. At just 2.6 pounds, it's lightweight enough to handle without strain and compact enough to store neatly when not in use. The CHV1410L comes equipped with thoughtful tools to maximize your cleaning power. A rotating slim nozzle helps you reach into narrow or awkward spots, while the pull-out crevice tool lets you clean between car seats, couch cushions, or other hard-to-access spaces. The flip-up brush is ideal for loosening debris on fabrics and carpets, making it versatile for multi-surface use. Washable filters add to its practicality, saving you from constantly buying replacements. Whether you're cleaning up daily messes, handling pet hair, or keeping your car interior fresh, this vacuum is built to get the job done quickly and efficiently. With its combination of power, portability, and clever attachments, the BLACK+DECKER CHV1410L gives you dependable cleaning performance wherever you need it most. And finally, the #1 of our list, Fanttik Slim V8 Apex Car Vacuum. If you're looking for a compact yet powerful cleaning tool for your car, the Fanttik Slim V8 Apex Cordless Car Vacuum delivers the versatility you need. Weighing only 1.1 pounds, it's as light as a water bottle, making it easy to maneuver with one hand while tackling dust, sand, or debris in every corner of your vehicle. This 4-in-1 multifunctional device does more than just vacuum. With included accessories, it can vacuum, blow, inflate, and pump, giving you a single tool for multiple cleaning and maintenance tasks. You'll find 10 practical attachments, including a crevice nozzle and flexible hose for tight spots, a push-in brush for stubborn dust, and specialized tools like a pet brush for fabric surfaces. The brushless motor spins at 80,000 revolutions per minute, producing up to 19 kilopascal of suction power. Choose Eco Mode for up to 40 minutes of cleaning, or Max Mode for a powerful 13-minute deep clean. Ideal for quick car detailing, office desks, or even keyboards. The high-efficiency particulate air filter captures 95.99% of fine particles, ensuring a cleaner environment. Charging is convenient with a Type-C fast-charging cable, taking just 2.5 hours for a full charge. You can charge it in your car, at home, or even through your laptop. Plus, the one-touch debris release keeps your hands clean during emptying. With its portability, smart design, and multi-function capability, the Fanttik Slim V8 Apex is a practical solution for keeping your car and small spaces spotless. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which cordless car vacuum you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.